What's up? Kumusta guys? And welcome again to our YouTube channel. So today, naandito tayo ngayon sa Hard Rock Desaru sa may Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And our content is to make sure guys no na makikita ninyo ano ba ang kayang i-offer sa atin no ng hotel na ito. Let's see and let me tour you around. So katulad guys ng sinabi ko sa inyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Hard Rock Desaru, Johor Bahru. And umpisahan na natin itong ating room tour. So sa unang tingin mo guys, katulad nito. So unang tingin mo, paano nasan yung toilet, diba? Actually natatakpan kasi siya ng ito, ng isang malaking mirror dito, no? Yan, ayan siya. But if you open it, there you go. Andyan yung malaki, spacious, no? Na restroom or toilet. Okay, so let's start with the sink, no? So ito naman yung makikita natin. You would have actually, no, ito guys, ito isa doon sa mga nakita ko na something unique dito, no, sa may Hard Rock. Meron actually silang filtered water. So technically, hindi na sila nagbibigay ng mga ng mga bottled water. And all you just need to do is to get your clean drinking water here mismo sa faucet na to. Diba? Separate naman siya, and according to dito sa nakalagay sa kanila, this is already approved by the National Sanitation Foundation, and I think the filtration system is made in the USA. And again guys, nakaseparate din ng kanilang water system yung faucets. Ayan, yung syempre pag magbubukas ka ng kamay mo and all the stuff that you wanted to do here. Meron din sila of course hand wash and your body lotion. Meron ding stante here. Yan, just in case na gusto nyo maglagay ng something. And the drawer, blower. Ayan. Kapag minove mo naman itong kapag parang sliding door na to, ayan, meron ka naman siyang access papunta doon sa labas. Para siyang see-through guys, no, ng cabinets, diba? Sobrang genius ng pagkakagawa. Pag magbibihis ka, ayan, diba? So, pwede mo lang itong i-open. You don't need to go doon sa mismong labas ng toilet or ng restroom and then kukuha ka ng damit mo. Sobrang genius ng pagkakagawa niya. Okay, so sarado muna natin siya. Okay. So, after this, ang next naman natin na ipapakita sa inyo is yung kanilang shower area. Okay, so the shower area, actually ang medyo maganda lang dito is yung pagkakakombine nila ng colors and yung mga ginamit nila na tiles. So inviting. And you would have already your shower gel, your conditioner, and your shampoo all for free. So that's already part of what you will need to pay for. Okay, next is the toilet bowl. Okay, so they have the bidet naman, and then of course access sa tissue. Okay, so when you go outside, ayan na lagayan no ng mga maleta or gamit. Actually this is one, and another one here. Ayan, so this is your television, and yan ang bubungad sa inyo guys no sa pagpasok nyo. So meron nang tumutunog dyan no, na malakas na mga hard rock musics. Ayan. And then access to it, of course hindi ko pa siya ginagalaw because kakapasok na natin sa room. Okay. Adjacent to this guys, ayan, makikita nyo na yung working table na nakadikit doon. Okay lang naman din yan kasi ako lang naman mag-isa. This is my card key. Ayan, and there is a hanging lampshade no dito sa area na to. Okay, meron ding extra saksakan dito. Ayan, so that's also additional for you. Tapos yung on off nito dito, tapos ito I think sa labas to. Okay, so on the side of course you will have your room clock. Tapos meron kang sariling lampshade on the side, and then there's a reading light also. And ito guys, This is very unique to them kasi di ko lang alam kung nakikita sa fine print niya, no, na yung logo ng Hard Rock yung nakalagay sa kanilang blankets or yung cover mismo ng mattress. Okay, so ayan, no, kikita nyo ba? Di ba? That's the iconic Hard Rock guitar. And of course, yung pillows din nila, guys, is branded din ng ayan, ng iconic Hard Rock guitar. So, katulad guys ng sinabi ko sa inyo, no, ito normally naka-slide lang siya dito. But if you would slide it on the side, ayan, ito na yung mismong lagayan nyo ng damit. And remember guys, no, nung pinakita ko sa inyo yung toilet or yung restroom, this is also a sliding door which will allow you access going to the restroom. Of course, para lang to kapag kukuha ka ng damit, diba? Okay? So, yung room na nakuha natin guys is also meron siyang sariling plancha, in-room, no, na hotel sleepers, and bathrobes, and of course, yung planchahan. Ayan siya. It also has its own safe. And then, inside it is, what is this? Prayer mat. Of course, para dun sa mga nagdadasal. I think normally para to sa mga Muslim brothers natin. And, para sa mga laundry, meron din silang, ito, sobrang kailangan natin to, no? Lalong-lalo na kapag magka-travel tayo international kasi very mahigpit sila sa yung weight ng ating mga luggages. That's what you have here. And then, they have the refilling water bottle here, or sabihin natin reusable, no, na tumblers. Pero nakalagay guys, reuse, refill, and return. So ibig sabihin hindi natin siya pwedeng iuwi. Mga baso, tasa, or cups, you can use it when you have to have coffee. And then meron ka ding heater. You would have your own set of your coffee and your tea. Again, this is complimentary. Okay, you have the sugar, the creamer. They have the tea, green tea, and chamomile. And also, of course, the coffee. On this side, ano kaya meron dito? Okay, so this one is black. This one is lagay ng yellow. Ayan, just in case you wanted to request for ice buckets. Ayan. And of course, your mini refrigerator. Okay, you have of course your remote control. You have your personal notepads. It comes with the pencil. Your master bedroom panel in a way. Of course, pag nakahiga ka na, hindi mo na kailangan tumayo ulit, no, just to turn off the lights. So another feature guys of this room is meron tayong balcony. Meron tayong access to balcony. So puntahan natin. Ayan siya. Okay. Just have to and in case guys, no, na gusto mo lang lumanghap ng fresh air, ayan. And nakikita actually guys dito yung water activities o yung what would make Hard Rock Desaru a very unique Hard Rock hotel and resort, no, dito sa Malaysia. And you can also actually sit here. And alright, so yan, di ba guys? So we can actually make and create some content here para of course, no, ayan, makita ninyo kung paano ba or ano itsura guys, no, ng Hard Rock Hotel dito sa may Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And guys, no, so nabigyan ko na kayo ng room tour. And yung general and overall observation ko or impression ko, no, about the Hard Rock Desaru dito sa may Johor Bahru it is 10/10. So, ganun siya kataas for me, no? Because, I think na-check niya lahat, no, ng sarili ko lang naman to, no? This is my own personal rating, no, ng hotel to, because yung ambience, na-retain niya, I think, yung branding, yung specific, no, na mga hinahanap mo sa isang Hard Rock Cafe. So, I think, as I've mentioned, no, even the unan, naka-imprint talaga doon yung mismong the iconic guitar na makikita mo sa Hard Rock. And I think the room is very spacious, and makikita nyo naman guys na sa may background ko. And I think what's stunning about this is also the access here, no, yung access sa mismong balcony, no, where you can unwind or accept some guests, no, for example, kung may gusto nyong magkwentuhan and have some fun. So I think this is also a good location, lalong-lalo na, no, kapag meron din kayong mga family na kasama sa inyong room or pagbabakasyon. So yeah, I think again, as I've mentioned to you guys, no, overall this is a highly recommended hotel, no, na pwede nyo matry kapag pumunta kayo dito sa may Johor Bahru, or yeah, you just have to make sure lang na mag-unwind kayo or magbakasyon. So ayan guys, no, I hope nakatulong kami guys, no, na mabigyan kayo ng full review kung balak nyong pumunta dito sa may Hard Rock Johor Bahru, Malaysia. So hanggang sa ulitin, ingat po kayo, have fun, and see you again to our next vlog. Bye bye.